What is up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com, bringing to you today the Reeve Knives Small Inkosi. So we actually have three different versions of this model here that I want to show you. One is an Insingo blade, titanium. All of them have titanium handles, blasted with a stonewash finish. They're using Magna Cut now, Magna Cut steel. 2.75 inch blade. You can get 4 fingers on the handle. It's really a good size for EDC. All of them come with a paracord. They all come with, what's really cool about a Reeve, the packaging is just, it's on point. Their boxes, they come with cleaning and tools, and the microfiber cloth you get with all of them. So when you get one, it comes wrapped up in the cloth like this. So this is actually a black micarta inlay version that we just got. All of them are slow roll. So, and this is a Tanto edge, which is really cool. I love the Tanto edge, it's my favorite. One thing some people mention about Reeve is you can't flick it open. Well, that's by design. It's, you know, they are made to be slow rolled open. That's the whole thing. That's the point. Not that they can't be adjusted to flick open. That happens, but we all do that. But yeah, that's what they do that by design. So anyway, we have a drop point, brown micarta, black micarta, and then we also have the full tie. All three Insingo, drop point, Tanto edge, all three in stock now. All come with the paracord as well. Just a great top of the line folding EDC knife if you're in the market for one. Reeve is top tier. So we have all three of these models in stock. If you have any questions, reach out to us, please. We always welcome any feedback, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.